Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a basic calculator in Thunkable. First, open Thunkable and start a brand new project, naming it My Calculator. Drag a label component onto your screen. This will be your calculator's display. Next, add a column component to organize all your buttons neatly. Make sure your display label is aligned to the right for a classic calculator feel. Now, let's design the calculator's interface. You'll need 10 buttons for the digits 0 through 9, arranged in a grid. Also, add 4 essential operation buttons, plus, minus, multiply, and divide. Don't forget a clear button to reset and a decimal point button for precise calculations. Organize these buttons using row components inside your main column for a clean, professional layout. Next, we'll dive into the logic using Thunkable blocks. You'll need 3 variables, one for the first number, one for the second number, and one to store the chosen operation. When a number button is pressed, simply add its digit to the display label. When an operation button is clicked, save the current display value as your first number. Finally, the equals button will execute the calculation. Finally, it's time to test your calculator. Go through all the number inputs, operations, and the clear function to ensure everything works perfectly. Check that the display updates accurately after each button press and calculation. Consider adding error handling, like preventing division by 0, for a robust app. Once satisfied, share your amazing, fully functional calculator with everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.